Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna get ready for my trip to Czechia because in a few days I'm leaving to home to visit my family. So today I need to pack my bag. I will take one big luggage and one small carry-on luggage, and I need to fit there everything and not to be overweight, so hopefully I can make it. And also I have so many gifts for my family. Basically I will pack mostly like gifts and clothes I don't need anymore to donate or sell in Czechia. So let's get into it. I also created a list what do I need to pack because usually I forget everything, so this is the safest option, to write it down. Also I need to weigh my luggages, so let's start with luggages. So I need to take one big and one small, so I need stairs and I can get them. This is the old stuck. I guess I don't need it. I have two luggages, but one day broke when I came here, and I found out at home. So I have just only left. See what I found. Nice. Cool. It's pretty big, but the maximum weight is 23 kilograms. So, Zara dust bag for shoes, moon boots. Okay guys, so I think I'll be overweight, but we will see. Also, my friend from Czechia was here a few weeks ago and she didn't fit some clothes to her suitcase, so I need to bring her clothes. And also I have so many gifts, and this is the bag with clothes I don't need anymore, so I will bring it to Czechia, ask my sister and friends if they want something from that or sell the rest, so I don't need to pack too many clothes because I still have a lot of them at home in Czechia, so I just need to bring there something, and of course pack some clothes I bought here because I want to be pretty. So I just need to bring some sport clothes, probably from Alo, and some dresses, so let's start. What is here? Oh yeah, here are probably all maple syrups. Everyone wants maple syrup, so I have like seven, maple syrups. Yeah, exactly. So hopefully I'll deliver them in a good condition. So these are maple syrups. That's probably the most heavy item. What's this one? It will be fun. I think the weight of this package is like 5 kilos. Okay, here is gift for my mommy. She will have birthday and I'll be there, and of course I'll be doing videos from Czechia, so soon you will see some videos from my hometown, from my country, so hopefully you're excited. Okay, I think I don't need pouches, actually. Okay, that's for my sister, for my dad, hopefully it will survive. Okay, this is for my best friend. I have everything in these bags, you know, it's easier, I don't have to sort it then. This is for my second best friend. She has a girl now, newborn girl, so I decided to buy her some things for her baby. I think I already know that I can't fit it. Okay, I will have to reorganize probably a little bit. Okay, I think this side is pretty full. Okay. I broke zipper. Broke zipper. Whatever, I don't need this probably. Yeah. So I still have some things left, but I need to know the weight of the suitcase. So, if I will be able to close it. That's fun. Hopefully they won't let me open my suitcase in front of them. Okay. Okay. It's time to weight my suitcase and see if I still have some room there. So I need to weight myself, which I really don't like, but I will do. 60.2. Now it's suitcase. I am 1 kilo overweight and I haven't fit everything. Okay, it's exactly 24 kilos. So I need to remove 1 kilo. See, I'm so kind that all the gifts are very heavy. Very heavy. I'm 1 kilo overweight, I don't want to pay, so...
How much do you pay for overweight?
I think it's pretty expensive.
More expensive than another luggage?
I don't know, actually I should Google it.
Right.
Let's see. Swiss Airlines baggage allowance. No, up to 23 kilo. Business class has 2 bags up to 32 kilo, but I still don't know if I will upgrade to business. So maybe they will just tell me that I have to remove something, you know, instead of paying. This airlines fee for overweight.
Buy another luggage. And I will give you my suitcase.
The small one? I could buy small one. Extra heavy 24 to 32 kilos, 350 USD. So I think it's worth to pay for another luggage probably.
Another luggage.
Oh my god, let's see. Okay, it's not worth it probably to have 1 kilo more. 350 USD, it's expensive. Okay, let's see. Upgrade. $100. The big one. They don't have small one. $100, that's not bad. That's actually cheaper than when I came here. Okay, before I buy another luggage, I will try to pack my small carry-on and see if there is some room for something from the heavy one. And then we will see. So it was a very hard decision to choose just some things. So I have some things here. I think it will be more than 8 kilos, but we will see. So I will just put it there. I'm bringing some outfits, some, you know, one shorts, one leggings, one shirt, two dresses, and one sweater, and basically that's it. So I will just put it to the suitcase and we will wait it and we will see. So we already know that I am 60.2. So let's see. Okay, I have it's 67.9, so I have a problem. Should I buy another luggage? I already told my mom that I will bring just one big suitcase. So hopefully they have space in their car. So this is the very same suitcase, and this is what they did to my suitcase. You know, it's like the wheel is broken and here is a hole. So it was a brand new suitcase. I got it for my birthday a few months before I left Czechia, and they broke it right after first flight. So I wasn't so happy. So I can bring it back and throw it there if we can fix it. So problem solved. Now I will definitely know what suitcase is mine. Hopefully I think we are good now. I have a lot of space, I can bring more stuff now. Yay! Okay, I modified my flight and I paid for additional luggage. So now I should fit. And I will leave one there. So, one more time. This one is very light now. Very light. Also very light. Okay, let's see. Yeah, oh my god. 79.2.
19.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. That's so heavy. This one is lighter. 78.4. Okay. We made it.
So you have room to put your cosmetics?
Yeah.
in one?
We made it. It was more difficult than I expected, but we are set. I purchased one more luggage. Oh, I see. Here is also broken. What the fuck? That's the other suitcase, right? Yeah. So both are broken, but this one is more functional than the other one, so whatever. I will give you update because I'm leaving soon, so you will see if they wanted to open my suitcases or if there was some complication, hopefully not. But I'm flying with Swiss Airlines back with Air Canada. I have never had problem with Air Canada, so it will be good, but on the way there I don't know what to expect because Swiss Airlines, I have never flew with Swiss Airlines, so we will see. And yeah, we are good. We have, I don't know, under 20 kilos. So that's good, that should be good. Just one suitcase is full of gifts and maple syrup, so we will see if they will need to open my bag and check it or ask some questions. We know that, but I don't know. I have never delivered so many things from here. We will see. I will let you know. You will see some videos from my trip to Czechia and from my hometown, as I mentioned. And I think that's it for today's video. As always, I would be really happy for a like, comment and subscribe. I hope you liked it. You know, it wouldn't be good content without problems, so we solved it. So yeah, that's it and see you next time.